giving instructions, the father of former IBF World Champion Randy Caballero.
And he's doing a great job. Ooh, was that another low blow?
Well, I think it was a body shot.
Kamusta mga kakamao? March ng 2019 ginulat ng southpaw fighter na si Juan Antonio Rodriguez na nagmula sa bansang Mexico ang Amerika, matapos manalo nito ng isang napakalaking upset win kontra sa ating kababayang Pinoy na si Mercito Gesta, na noon ay ranked number 2 contender sa lightweight division. Isa itong napakalaking panalo para sa Mexicano, at nagyabang pa nga itong si Rodriguez na napakadaling laban lang daw sa kanya ang laban kontra sa ating kababayan na si Mercito Gesta.
I've been sparring guys that are heavier than me. I usually spar guys that are middleweights, super welterweights. Going in there with him, I think that was pretty easy.
2 buwan matapos nito ay naikasa naman ang laban ng Mexicano kontra sa ating isa pang kababayan na si Romero Duno, at malaki nga po ang kumpiyansa nitong Mexicano, na mananalo ito kontra sa ating kababayan at magiging susi upang mapalaban ito sa isang world title fight, at nasabi nga nitong si Rodriguez na inabot lamang siya ng 3 minuto upang panuuring ang mga naunang laban ni Romero Duno, at naniniwala ito na knockout daw ang aabutin sa kanya ng Pinoy sa magiging bakbakan. Ating balikan ang naging bakbakan ng dalawa at ating alamin kung paano iginanti ng ating kababayang si Romero Duno si Mercito Gesta kontra sa nagyabang na Mexicano, na kung saan ay pinagapang ng ating pambato ang mayabang na Mexicano. Sa unang round pa lang ay agad nang naging ang ating kababayan na si Romero Duno at sinubukan agad ang tibay ng depensa ng Mexicano mula ulo hanggang katawan.
The hour after Mozo beat Mercito Gesta, or I don't know if you can hang with him power-wise, the Mexican said, "You don't believe me?"
Punches early on from both men.
Yeah, I was about to say, they're exchanging heavy leather.
And then the last 2 months he trained here in California at the Wild Baby daughter. He says he's inspired by her because I understand my singular focus and who I have to take care of. It's really amazing.
Money just doesn't go to them anymore.
I know that's right.
Sa round 2 ay nagpalitan na ng mabibigat na suntok ang dalawang fighter, ngunit angat pa din sa palitang ito ang ating kababayang Pinoy.
Enough between.
I think it's perfect.
Is it?
Yeah, I mean, he didn't have it.
As they would say in Tagalog, because it's breakfast time right now in the Philippines, where Duno's followers from the PI right now. You know what's up, Coach?
Hey, I'll take it from anywhere. You know what I mean? And also, wow, also the pressure that must come with that as well.
That's a lot of pressure for a 20 fit as he's taking, but the harder shots are being landed by Duno. Right now, the man with the cleaner technique, at least with the straight punches down the pike, is Rodriguez.
That was beautiful, that big hook.
The eye-catching shots.
Sa round 3 may mga suntok na lumulusot na si Rodriguez kay Romero Duno.
A little bit calmer start.
Experienced fighter in there. He can punch himself. He's got more knockouts than Duno has. And why Rodriguez is not intimidated by Duno or the prospect's power class.
And right now Rodriguez has landed 2 or 3.
Up those body shots with that southpaw jab.
Oh, Duno is taking some big time. But mentally he had.
Stop at the belt, guys. Stop at the belt.
Ngunit pagdating sa round 4 dito ay nagawang masugatan ng ating kababayan ang hinding umaatras na Mexican fighter, gamit ang malakas na kanan.
Now you got Duno up.
Offensively speaking, in those opening 2 rounds was Rodriguez.
Remember, Duno has gone 10 full rounds just once. And boom!
Oh my goodness!
Now Duno is
Rodriguez.
I see that now, and he has blood just streaming.
Hey, they were throwing down.
They were throwing big time.
That was just hard fights. He's used to fighting 10 and 12 rounds. Open for big right hands. Maybe Duno can he can turn this fight around.
Round number 5. Body shot.
He hasn't been warned for that yet by referee Raul Caiz Sr. Just that the chin of Rodriguez is holding up.
saw the numbers on how many of these punches are power punches. To go.
Yeah, and I would say Rodriguez in flamboyant spots, letting his hands go here and there. And they're hard punches to evade the fight. Duno can box a little bit, but
Down in the Philippines, won by a second round knockout.
yes, yeah, it was. I think one of the
And now Rodriguez again connecting on Duno. Punches are becoming.
yeah, his technique has fallen off since the opening 2 rounds.
Rise.
Yes.
And Duno takes another straight left. Fight. And he said, I want to prove to the world
Boxing craft.
I am incredible.
Round. That's how he wears guys down. He doesn't have one-punch knockout power.
Rodriguez, and instead Duno continues to get caught.
Duno on body and head.
Duno's really starting to take some rather serious punishments.
He's working behind a jab and he's placing his punches, and he has it, correct.
Well, the one thing you can't allow yourself to have is an off night.
He was looking to bail himself out, catch a breather by landing an illegal blow.
What do you think?
I agree with you.
How hard these punches are being thrown.
A true puncher can turn a fight.
At sa pagsapit ng round 8 ay dito na nga pinabagsak at pinagapang ng Pinoy ang mayabang na Mexican fighter na tila ba naging bata sa paggapang nito matapos nitong makatikim ng solidong suntok mula sa Pinoy.
I've got.
Have you been sitting on that one all
I've
night?
been looking at the.
El Mozo. And Doug, one wrinkle in Mozo's corner is Marcos Caballero.
Doing a great job. Ooh, was that another low blow?
Well, he wants to finish this right now.
Yeah, he's got to suck it up. There's another portal. What a left hand from Rodriguez.
Pagsapit ng round 9 ay nagpatuloy pa din ang laban, ngunit sa tindi ng natamong sugat ng Meksikano at hindi na kinaya pa ang lakas ng Pinoy, dito at itinigil na ng third man of the ring ang bakbakan.
That was a slip.
Oh, they're calling it.
He's done?
They're calling it. Wow.
No, I had Rodriguez ahead, even with that knockdown round.
At nasungkit nga po ni Romero Duno ang bakanteng North American Boxing Organization lightweight title, na ibawi din ni Duno ang pagkatalo ng ating kababayang si Hesta, at binigyan ng leksyon ang mayabang na Mexican fighter na nagsabing, sapat na ang 3 minuto na napanood nito mula sa nakaraang laban ng Pinoy para pabagsakin ito, at iyan po muna sa muli ang video natin sa ngayon mga kakamao muli maraming salamat po.